If you've forgotten your Netflix password or want to change it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to reset it. Step 1. Go to the Netflix login page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Netflix login page. You can do this by typing Netflix.com in the address bar. Step 2. Click on Need Help. On the login page, look for the Need Help link located below the password entry field. Click on it to proceed to the password recovery options. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. From the help options, choose Forgot Password. This will take you to the password reset process. Step 4. Enter your email or phone number. You will be prompted to enter the email address or phone number associated with your Netflix account. Fill in the required information and click Email me or text me to receive a reset link. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Check your email or SMS for the password reset link. Click on the link and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Netflix account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Netflix support for assistance.